It may seem like I'm joking, but I am dead serious. This is the 6.7 kit. And this is the brand new Rizzler. I'm putting the 6.7 kit into the Rizzler. First, let's see what kind of Riz we get out of the box for just under $2,200. Then hide your girl, because we're testing what 72 volts of upgraded Riz will pull us in the real world. Made by Electro & Co., powered by a shared platform with the RTR. The new Rizzler bike is creating a new category I've never seen that blends a mini bike with a pit bike. Out of the box, the Rizzler comes with a headlight, display, hydraulic rear suspension, wide body tubeless wheels that stance the bike super wide. Running a 60 volt 26 amp hour battery, which is higher capacity than the RTR Lite, with storage in the back that fits 5 bananas. More like 4. Turning the Rizzler on for the first time, look at this thing. It's mini, but stanced wide, so it has so much presence. Like Jim. I'm glad I got the gold forks. They're only available from Ronster Rides, and next to the red RTR with gold forks, also only available from Ronster Rides, you can see the Rizzler sits just slightly lower than the RTR. You really don't need a truck for this bike. You could throw it in a trunk easily with the bars off. Double rizzed up on a Saturday with raw stunts. Damn, dude, you look good on it with the red pegs. Come on. These are the first 2 Rizzlers ever in the wild. I'll follow you. My first impression is so comfortable to sit on. It's like the perfect size, not too big, not too small, but it looks small. It's actually the first time I filmed in Venice Beach, because I would never ride a bike like a Sur-On out here. You'd get in trouble so fast. Even though this still doesn't have pedals, I just feel more comfortable riding it somewhere like this. Oh, it handles the stairs super well. Yeah, is that yours? So they rent those out, huh? How fast does it go? Have you gone the top speed yet?
It's got to 30 miles per hour. 30?
Yeah. Where are you from, the UK?
Yeah.
Nice. We're from here.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah.
You guys are lucky, man.
Isn't it nice out here?
Yeah, let me see about here.
Isn't it crazy you can rent this and just ride it around? I know in the UK they would never let you do that.
Absolutely not.
So here we're going 20 miles an hour. It pops right up. Did somebody say do a wheelie?
You know how to do a wheelie?
I don't know how to do a wheelie. Hey, can I try it?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Yo, are you Ronster?
Yeah. What's up?
Oh, what's up, bro?
Yeah, give it a try. Have you ridden a bike like this before?
I mean, I'm not gonna wreck your shit, but
it's okay. It can handle it. Here, I'll put you in a lower power mode. I got to take your board though as collateral. My only advice is just
go slow on the throttle.
Hey, you read my mind. That's all you.
Just this, right?
Yeah. Hey.
No,
and you got the brakes too. Remember those? Yeah. You gotta make sure she doesn't steal it.
What even is this?
It's coming out next week. It's called the Rizzler.
The Rizzler?
Yeah.
No.
Isn't that funny? You can keep riding it. I'll tow raw back. This is like the perfect handle for it. Send it. This handle is so nice when you're moving the bike around. It's also really nice to hitch. And you could probably attach like all sorts of bags and stuff to it.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, raw with the Rizzler, we can't help it.
I'm so happy to meet you, so I watch all your videos.
I'm so happy we got to meet, and you're a natural on the bike. It fits you perfect.
Dude, I'm way too broke to even think about you getting a dirt bike, fool. So thank you for letting me ride this shit. That shit's so dope.
Hey, I'm sure someday I'll see you in the street.
Alright, bet.
It was nice. What was your name?
Georgia.
Georgia. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Yeah, keep it up.
Your videos, bro.
Thank you. Dude, it's so nice to wheelie. Okay, comparing this to the RTR, a million billion times more fun to wheelie than the RTR. I love the RTR, but I've always said this since the beginning. Not the best wheelie bike. This is up there as one of the best wheelie bikes. I need some fruit. It feels so good to be out here. I don't think anyone's looked at us funny at all. Usually you get funny looks immediately.
It looks like a rental.
We could say it's a rental.
I got it from Ronster Rentals.
No.
Sorry guys. There was a guy that was like kind of following us and he's walking that way, but like just to be safe, can you guys like walk us to our car?
We would be honored to do that. The Rizzlers must defend.
Okay. Thank you. Gracias.
Cool, you guys ready?
Yeah.
And you see those pegs? You can put your feet on those. What is that, mango?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
Okay.
You can just put your hands wherever. Okay,
Yeah.
Lead the way, Raw. Well, I'm sorry someone's following you. That's scary.
I know. It's never happened before. Over there towards the left.
Have a great day, guys. Yeah, I think he's looking right at us. Let's just keep chatting and just like pretend we're just enjoying ourselves and he's passing by. He was waiting for us to look at him and then we just ghosted him.
It clicked for me. It does everything it's meant to do. Wheelies and Riz. Bro, it's literally perfect. Bro, the fact that it's so easy to wheelie and then you got this long seat for 2 people, bro, it's fucking it's mind blowing, bro. Like, bro, you're probably already at home depressed because you don't got a bike or a girlfriend.
2-for-1 deal, dude. Whoa! I'm gonna try a little peg wheelie here. Oh! Oh! So easy! So easy! Oh, this would be a great first wheelie bike with those pegs and just even just sitting normal wheelies feels so easy. Yeah! Pop it up! Nice to meet you, bro. Thanks for saying hi.
Yeah, be safe out here, dog.
Hey, thank you, dude. You too.
Yeah.
Nice bike.
Thanks, bro.
See how it does on the sand. It doesn't do on the sand. Yeah, we'll go wash it off in the salt water. That'll be good for it. Oh, you gotta stop for the pedestrian.
Go ahead.
Hey, we respect traffic laws. Please, pedest. Of course.
I like your bike.
Thank you.
I like your bike.
Thanks a lot. Bro, do you see the vibe? Do you see the vision on the Rizzler? Let's see what we got here. I was gonna say those tires are mean. What do those look like, 12s? Could we do watermelon, pineapple, and mango? Thank you. Eee! What is that? Can I ask one of you to take a photo of me for my mom? Why? Because so she can see where I'm at, show her I made it. Hey, thank you.
You wanna send that to your mom?
Yeah. Do you think I look handsome in it?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Switzerland.
No way. I was just in Switzerland 3 days ago. I was in Lugano.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Are you guys here on vacation?
No, we didn't exchange here.
Oh, that's so cool. Enjoy the sun. Have a good one. Bro, that dog is so chill. Oh, like that. Hey. What's up? $2,000. It's from Electro & Co.
That's actually not bad.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey. Let me see a kickflip from both of you.
I got kickflip.
You don't have kickflip? Come on. Let me see your best trick. Let me see you shove it. Yes! That was perfect. Let's see front one. Boom! Come on! That gets 5 big booms. Here we go. Full throttle on the Rizzler. It should top at 50 miles an hour. We're not at a full battery anymore, but... So we're at 44. This is plenty fast. 45. 46. Whoa. That was sick. That was sick. That sounded way worse than it was. I'm totally chilling. For the price, I mean, there's really not much out there like this. I'd say nothing. In fact, in the history of bikes, there's nothing really like this. Electro & Co did something really special, finding something that hasn't really been done before. Merging a mini bike with a pit bike. It's beautiful.
Got the neighbors knocking, 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 got the neighbors knocking.
That's definitely the new Rizzler stem. The Rizzler, 50 miles per hour, more battery capacity than the RTR Lite. Full suspension, lights, storage, perfect wheelie geometry. This is one of the few bikes that do not need upgrades out of the box, and for $2,000, that's a big deal. That being said, we're still going to upgrade it with the 6.7 kit, just like we did to the RTR for an insane 14 kilowatts of power. I'm giving away 10 kits to anyone that orders a Rizzler or RTR from Ronster Rides between now and Christmas. The Rizzler and RTR have compatible powertrains, so this same kit works on both bikes. This is my biggest giveaway of the year. You get a sprocket, throttle, power switch, little bit controller with the mounting plate, chain, and of course the upgraded motor. I also got the 72 volt touring battery for maximum power and range, but it's not necessary for the 6.7 kit to boost your bike. This kit is so easy to install. It costs $670 plus tax. Unless you win my 10 kit giveaway, then it's free. This is my biggest giveaway of the year. All Rizzler and RTR orders from Ronster Rides are automatically entered, so you have a chance to boost your bike for free, even though they really don't need it. Ready to get back outside with my new 6.7 Rizzler and 6.7 RTR. Raw stunts. On the Rizzler, Jimbo Slice. On the Mini Varg RTR, so this has the 6.7 kit with Supermoto wheels. And I'm on the 6.7 Rizzler, same upgrade kit as the Mini Varg, pushing about double the power now. 3, 2, 1, full throttle. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, this is an awesome pack. RTRs with Rizzlers. Oh shit. Whoa! With such a small wheelbase, it just wants to pop it right up. Jim, punch it. Oh! Dude, the wheel doesn't want to come down. Hey, the stock Rizzler's fast as hell, but this definitely takes it to a whole other level. Easily my favorite mini bike. There's nothing touching this. Nothing. A 6.7 Rizzler is like the goat of mini bikes right now. Tell me something that does this. I haven't seen it. Bro, I'm going 50 miles an hour. Raw, you gotta try this. Oh, watch out, we're getting jumped. Oh, what's up, dude?
Watch your videos, bro. How you been, bro?
Nice to meet you, man.
Oh my God, nice to meet you, bro. What, is this new?
It is, it's the new Rizzler. It comes out next week.
Oh, that's sick. All right, man.
I thought we were getting robbed. Oh! 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 Here, switch. Be careful, bro. Especially at the very beginning. You know the wheelbase is small, so it wants to backflip.
Bro, you're pulling it up at 50.
Yeah.
You're going so fast and pulling it up, it's insane.
It's unbelievable. It is so fucking fun. But I gotta say, I think I'm going fast, but then I'm still keeping up with you on the stock bike. So they're both fast, but that's a whole other level. You can drift this thing. It still pops up super nice. Plenty of power to wheelie. It's actually a little nicer to wheelie with the lower power, and it's lighter too. But whether you buy an RTR or a Rizzler from Ronster Rides, you will automatically be entered into my 10 kit giveaway. 10 kits! Oh, my bad, bro. Thank you. How crazy is this?
Dude, it's so unbelievable. It's so much power, but like a good power.
Yeah, exactly. Good power, usable power. But it just wants to pick the wheel up. Like,
that's like a fucking. These ones?
yeah, I like the one where you stand on the peg. Hey. Come on, Rob. Dude, you got it. No foot down. No way. Dude, that looks really good. And I might still have too much power for something like that. Yesterday there was a little bit of Riz, you could say. Today there's gonna be respect. Let's go take out the Rizzler, show some respect.
How does this like the perfect rose?
No, these are not only the best smelling roses I've ever seen, but also some of the most perfect. Look at your right.
Bro, no grocery store can match this.
Oh, it's a crime scene. It's a crime scene. Would you like a flower too? I hope you're having a lovely day.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, they smell good, huh?
Ooh, you smell good.
Yeah. Oh, excuse us. Thank you. Oh, want to give her one. Hey man, would you like a rose? It smells so good. You're welcome. Have a good day. Have a good one. Yay, the cops approve of it too. That's awesome. Is this Riz? A lot of cops out right now. I'm down to my last rose. I want to keep it for myself. It smells so good. Jim, I gotta see you show some love out here. No, I got it. She wants it. Have a good day. Jim. Oh, Jim, you're the man. He got nervous. She was so pretty. I was actually expecting more people to say no. Oh, watch out. Whoa, watch out, watch out. Oh my God. That's good, that's good. Does he get a rose? Give him a stem. Would you like a rose, ma'am? Would you like a rose?
Oh, I would give it someone.
Okay, that's very polite of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
As if you did.
Okay, I appreciate it. Have a good one. Hello. It smells so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Okay, now I can wheelie again. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Ah, this bike's so fucking fun, dude. It wheelies way too good. Like the balance point is just so solid. Meow. It's been one of my favorite bikes since I knew about it during my China trip. When I was in China like 6 months ago, this bike was ready to go and I was so excited, but I couldn't tell anyone about it until now. Oh, good save, good save, good save. Good save. Oh! 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 Dude! No, it's actually scaring me a little bit. Dude, look at that, 60. Try a little knee wheelie with my foot in there. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, come on. Easily one of the best wheelie bikes ever. Oh. Do you want to try the Riz?
I don't think he can handle that.
Yeah, I genuinely don't think he can handle it. Oh my God, the Rizzler is a little bit faster.
It's really comfortable.
In this video, we unboxed the brand new Rizzler, saved the day, then upgraded to 6-7 level Riz and showed some respect to the community. I'm giving away 10 of these upgrade kits to anyone that orders an RTR or Rizzler from Ronster Rides from now until Christmas. This bike does not need any upgrades. You get lights, storage, full suspension, and 50 miles per hour out of the box, as well as gold forks only from Ronster Rides. The geometry is perfect for wheelies. You get to use the seat handle, the pegs. Raw is the best Rizzler stunter in the world right now, but he wants to see some competition. This is my biggest giveaway of the year. Rizzler or RTR, you're entered to win one of 10 6-7 kits only at Ronster Rides. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And stay tuned.
Yeah.